Hey Kathy, so I'm just going to show you the steps for adding that PDF, the steps that I took so that if you ever want to add that kind of content again, it's pretty easy for you. So first thing, I've already logged in obviously to the platform. I'm just going to go to the Naker dashboard here. And the first thing we need to do is to add the PDF to the media library. So I think I showed you this in regards to images. It also can help us store PDFs and larger documents. Now you'll see that I've already uploaded it, but all I did to do that was click on Add New. That'll then bring up a box that'll let you drop your files onto, and it'll then upload them. So I just downloaded the PDF from the email, dropped it in the box. I'm just going to go back so we can see our media library. Once you've added that to the library, you'll be able to see it here. Now, in order to make that click here button link to the PDF, we need to get a URL from the PDF. So all we're going to do is click on View. Now you'll see that the file is kept on a similar kind of Naker page with the heading and everything. This page is it exists, but it's unobtainable for people who are viewing the site. We can only see this because we're in the back end. So what we want to do is we want to click on the PDF itself, which will take us to the PDF itself. Here we can see, but the important thing that we want here is this URL up the top. So we're just going to Control C and grab that. Then we're going to go back. Actually, we can then go back to either the dashboard, or you can just view the site. Normally, since we've logged in, we'll be able to edit the site itself. So I'm just going to visit the site. So I've already Control-C the URL. I'm now going to click on For Health Professionals. And you'll see that as we log in, this is the page. Now this displays differently than it probably does on your PC. That's only because I have my text really small. I can increase that a little bit. So here, instead of navigating to this through the dashboard, I'm just going to scroll down. Since we're logged in, we can then edit that content. And that'll save us having to search through the sections in order to find the health professionals page. So here we are. Now we're just going to scroll down to workshop details are available here. We're going to select here. I'm going to click on this little hyperlink button here. This will bring up a console that will allow us to insert the URL that we copied before, which is I'm just doing now. And then we're going to add that as a link. You'll see that this is now changed to blue to show that it is clickable. We might also underline that because it's a fairly common thing to underline links on web pages. So there we can see if you want to turn that off, like say for instance you have a updated PDF or the details are outdated or something like that, all you do to break a hyperlink is select it and then click on the break link button up here, and that'll unlink that asset. So now that we've linked that up, we're going to just click on update. A little spinning clock tells us that it's done. And now just to check, we're going to visit the site and see how that displays, just to make sure that that it's linked up properly. I'm going to scroll down for health professionals, and we'll see that now the click here will take you to the PDF. So that's pretty much how you do it. It takes a little bit of getting used to get the steps. The hardest thing though was remembering to get the correct URL so that we can point it to this instead of that page where the PDF was just sitting. Once again, that page won't be seen by clients, so it's hidden. They'll just be taken straight to the PDF that displays, and then of course from there they can print or they can download a save as to save a copy of it. So there you go. That's a pretty quick little tutorial on linking PDFs.